In this video, I decided to do a little bit of a challenge. So I decided I'm gonna make 25 of the same clay thing and see how long that takes me to do. I'm gonna start off easy, and I'm gonna make 25 frogs. They could be the same or different. And you may be thinking, 25 is a low number, Maya. And I know. But I don't wanna go into this challenge and get halfway through and decide that this is too much for me. So we're gonna try 25, and then if I can do it, maybe you'll see a 50 frog challenge or an 100 frog challenge, who knows? But to start, we're gonna do 25. So let's get into it. So I started off with some light green clay. I ended up mixing this with some translucent clay just to give it a little bit of a different color. Here's me mixing that. And then things got pretty serious, so I had to put my hair up, and then I started rolling out all 25 of the little bodies. I finally finished all 25, and then I had to move on to making their eyes. This part actually took so long that it went into day 2 for me. Later in the video I'll say it's now day 2, but really this was day 2. You can see the lighting change. But I thought it was pretty satisfying to see all of these starting to come out and how they fit into my hand. So now after doing all of that, it was time to start on their stomachs. And for this, I just took a slightly lighter shade of that same green and put a dot of that on the center of all of them. And then I moved on to their eyes, which I did not record, but so many little balls of black clay for this. And then it was finally time to finish their faces. So it's now day 2 of making frogs, and I am almost done. So I've been putting tiny faces on these guys for a really long time now. So now I just have to finish them, put a few last details on, and then I can show you all 25 of the frogs all together. So I made one of these frogs frowning because the rest are smiling, and I can't find him anymore, but there's 25, I just counted, but there's no frowning frog anywhere. So here they are, completely finished. I think they're super cute. They're super simple, but it still took me a while, so it was super satisfying for me to finally be able to hold all these together. This challenge was super fun for me, so I'd definitely be interested in doing more in the future. If that's something you guys want to see, maybe I'll make 50 of something or 100 of something. I don't know. But thank you guys again so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like. It really does help me out. And if you want to see more content, maybe subscribe. Bye guys!